Healing the mind-body connection through meditation. Welcome and thank you for giving yourself this time to heal and restore. Find a comfortable position where your body can fully relax. Gently close your eyes and allow your breath to slow. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And slowly breathe out through your mouth. Allow your shoulders to soften and your jaw to relax. Let your hands rest comfortably by your side. Bring your awareness gently into your body. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the rise of your chest. And the gentle fall as you exhale. Your breath is the bridge between mind and body. Each inhale brings awareness. Each exhale releases tension. Allow your thoughts to slow without forcing them. Simply observe whatever arises. Now, gently scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort. Send your breath into those areas. Imagine your breath carrying warmth and healing. As you exhale, release stored tension. Allow your forehead to soften. Relax your eyes and your cheeks. Soften your neck and shoulders. Let your arms grow heavy and relaxed. Feel your chest open gently. Allow your stomach to relax naturally. Release your lower back and hips. Let your legs and feet completely soften. Your entire body is beginning to feel lighter. Notice how your mind responds as your body relaxes. There is a deep connection between thought and sensation. When the body softens, the mind follows. Allow yourself to rest in this awareness. If emotions arise, welcome them gently. Emotions are signals from the body. Breathe into them without judgment. Let your breath create space around each feeling. You are safe to feel and safe to release. Imagine a gentle light glowing in your chest. With each inhale, this light grows brighter. With each exhale, it spreads throughout your body. This light represents balance and healing. Feel it flowing through your arms and hands. Flowing through your torso and spine. Flowing down into your legs and feet. Every cell in your body responds to calm awareness. Your body knows how to heal when given space. Trust this natural intelligence within you. Allow your breath to remain steady and smooth. Feel the harmony between mind and body strengthening. There is nothing to fix, only space to allow. Rest in this quiet state of connection. Notice subtle sensations in your body. A gentle warmth or a sense of ease. Allow these sensations to expand naturally. Your mind is becoming clearer and calmer. Your body feels supported and balanced. Stay present with this peaceful rhythm. If thoughts arise, gently return to your breath. Let your breath be your anchor once again. Feel gratitude for your body. For all that it carries and supports. And appreciation to your heart and lungs. To your muscles, bones, and nerves. Every system working quietly for you. Allow healing energy to continue flowing. With each breath, deepen your sense of unity. Mind and body moving as one. Rest here in silence and awareness. Trust the process unfolding within you. You are nurturing balance from the inside out. Allow yourself to fully receive this calm. Stay with your breath as your steady guide. Feel grounded yet light at the same time. This connection remains with you beyond this practice. Take a deeper breath in now. And slowly breathe out. Begin to bring gentle movement to your fingers. And small movement to your toes. Feel your body awakening softly. Carry this healing awareness into your day. Remember, your breath is always available. You can return to this connection anytime. Take one final deep, nourishing breath. And gently release it. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Notice how your mind and body feel now. More connected, more balanced, more calm. Thank yourself for this time of healing. Allow this sense of harmony to guide you forward. You are capable of restoring yourself. You are capable of deep inner peace. Stay grounded in this awareness. Breathe gently and steadily. Feel the strength within your calmness. Let this meditation ripple through your day. Very healing in your thoughts and actions. Pause briefly and take another slow breath. Notice the quiet confidence within you. This connection strengthens each time you practice. Allow yourself to feel proud of this commitment. You're investing in your well-being. You are nurturing harmony within. Let your breath remain calm and natural. Carry this steady rhythm with you. Take one more slow, deep breath in. And slowly release it with ease. Feel gratitude for this healing moment. Allow your awareness to expand gently. Notice the space around you. Feel your body fully present and alive. Begin to prepare to transition back. Wiggle your fingers and toes once more. Roll your shoulders gently if it feels good. Take a final cleansing breath. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating and healing with me today. Please subscribe, like, and share. We see you in the next video.